Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, in today's video I will be showing you today how you can earn some money at home. Recently I posted on my page and I said I was going to show you some ways you can follow to earn money from home using your Android device. So in today's video I will be showing you step by step and all the settings required to be able to earn money. So please, for better understanding, please I want to request you that you watch the full video. For better understanding, please I want to request you that you watch the full video. Please make sure you do not skip for better understanding, as I will be showing you how we can do that today. So guys, it is a popular HowKit. Most of you are familiar with HowKit. So HowKit is a platform where you do some tasks, then you get paid by doing those tasks. And not only that, you can be able to use this site in order, if you're a content creator, for instance, if you have a Facebook page, you have YouTube channel, then you have Twitter, name them all, and then you want to boost, if you want to boost your social media account, then this platform is just the best for you. So not only making money online with this platform, you can also uh, advertise your page or your social media handle with this particular app by getting likes, followers, comments, and the rest of them. So that means even if you are not getting this in order to earn money from, you can also get it in order to advertise your page. So quickly, how do we earn, or how do we create an account with this particular site? So let's quickly click on the link. I will drop the link on the first comment section, or I will also drop it. So I will also drop it at the I'll drop it in this first comment section, then I'll drop it in the bio also. So guys, once you open it, it will be asking you to sign up. So you have to enter your username, your full name, then the referral code should be this name. So this is the referral code. So don't forget, you must have to put this referral code. So after you must have logged in, let's try to log in and see. Let me log in with one of my accounts that I have not activated. So guys, once it open like this, so you can also buy airtime with this particular application. So once it open like this, you just have to, in order to start earning, here we have earn here. So you have to activate this account. So you have to make sure that you activate this account. And how do you activate? Guys, as you can see, you can earn daily with this particular application, and there is a referral code of 500 naira per referral when you invite each user, and the user activate their account, and the user activate their membership. You will get 500, and you can be able to withdraw any amount. You can withdraw the 500, you can withdraw even 100 naira and the rest. So here is what you are supposed to do. So you have to make sure you activate your account by paying a sum of 1000 naira, and that is all. And you are just to pay this one just once. You are just to pay this one just once. So what you need to do, you have to find your wallet. Let's go back to home. You have to find your wallet by clicking on phone wallet. Once you click on phone wallet, you click on 1000, because it's 1000 that you can use to activate. You use 1000 to activate. So you click on phone wallet. It will be directing you to the bank account where you make the payments and the rest. So guys, as you can see, it's already showing us a bank account to make payment. So there are many methods of payment. We have using the card, and we also have change payment method. So you can use the normal way of transfer. So guys, as you can see, you must have to deposit this 1000 before you can be able to earn, and also before you can be able to advertise your page on this particular site. So guys, as you can see, this is the account number. You can always pay, but don't use this particular one. Please don't use this particular one, because it's just for this transaction only. It's just for this transaction. So let's go back. This is how you can make payment with this. So after you must have make your payment, so now let's start earning. You click on earn, then you click on get started. I don't want this video to be that long, So you click on get started. So you wait for it to load down below here so you can see the available tags. So guys, as you can see, these are some of the available tags. So for instance, I want to earn, or you can be able to even share a post. So guys, we have post advert on your Facebook. So you can post an advert on your Facebook and you'll be given 100 naira. We have all the social media, you can be given 100 naira. So you see, you can be able to earn massive with this particular site. You can be able to earn massive with this particular site. So, and apart from this, another way you earn money again by completing a task. So you have to link your Facebook account, and don't worry, nothing will happen to your Facebook account, because I've been using this Alkit for a very long time. I just decided to share it with my followers so we can be able to both earn money. So guys, as you can see, there are other ways again to earn money apart from this one. So here we have, when we go back to our home, here we have follow page. So for instance, here a post like, this is Facebook. Now let's click on the tax. So this is the tax you are only to do. Each post you like, you'll be given 3 naira. Each post you like, you'll be given 3 naira. And then don't forget, you have to give a proof that you have done it. So let's click on generate your next tax. Then you click on yes, generate the next tax. Then you click on. So guys, as you can see here, we have do it now. So you click on do it now. So a page will be displayed on how you can do the task, which is very simple. All what you need to do, this link that is being given here, you just click on visit link. After you visit the link, you have to know what is required of the tax, like post on social media. So you have to click on the link. It will direct you to the post link. You like it and you screenshot it. So it's very important that you read all these instructions. So you screenshot it. After you screenshot it, you upload the screenshot from here. Then you insert your username, that's your social media username that you use. Then you click on upload proof. So they will check and then they'll get back to you and upload your money in your on your account. So you can withdraw any amount. Guys. So guys, as you can see, I even have a pending balance of 6 naira that I just did before I started this video. And how do you get your referral code? Don't forget that a referral code per referral is 500 and you can withdraw. So let's click on the profile at the top right hand side. So after then, here are some of the referrals I've already done so far, ever since I started. So, and then this is the referral link. You can share with your friends, and each friend that you refer and he or she activate the account by depositing 1,000, you will be given 500 automatically and you can withdraw it. More questions, if you have any question, drop your comments on the comment section. Just like the way I said, I don't want this video to be that long, so if you have questions, drop your comment on the comment section. We are ever ready to reply. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.